Hey you guys, it is Patrick. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry I've not filmed a video in a while. I'm in college, I'm in school, I'm a student, and it's a lot. Not to like make an excuse, but I'm making an excuse. Do not worry though, I have videos lined up for you, lined up. I'm filming back to back, so you guys have content. I'm so sorry for the last time. It's probably not gonna be the last time, but it sounds better if I say that. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be making another new Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, just Dunkin', sorry. I'm going to be making a new Dunkin' drink. It is the Mocha Macchiato. This is genius. People love mochas and people love macchiatos. So people will live for a mocha macchiato. It's pretty much combining two of the most popular like iced coffee espresso creations into one. I love mochas and I love macchiatos, so I think I'm going to live for this. I was able to crack the recipe for you guys. This is going to be super easy. You can find these ingredients. So do not worry, I'm going to be making a few Starbucks recipes in my later videos, but now Dunkin' is the moment. She is the icon. She is the now. So we have to focus on her. So I think I'm going to be posting this video on Valentine's Day. If you are booed up, happy Valentine's Day, yes. And for all my single sisters out there, I feel you. If you are not already, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm at pmeyer, MEYER01. Follow me on Instagram. Girl, I'm having photo shoots. So you are going to want to go ahead and follow me on there so you don't miss any of my pics. I hate that. Follow me there, subscribe to me on here. Let's just get on with the video. So the reason I make these recipes so simple is for you guys. You're welcome. I want to show you guys recipes that are actually practical for everyday use. And because a lot of these are coffee drinks, you are probably making this very early in the morning and you do not need like a billion ingredients and all these special techniques. You need something easy and I'm gonna give it to you. So this recipe in total has three ingredients to it. Okay, so the first element we are going to have to prepare is the mocha portion that is going to go on the bottom of the macchiato. So to get that really good mocha flavor, I'm going to be using the Torani dark chocolate sauce. This is amazing. Now you can't really go into a store and order mocha sauce. I know you could probably find it online somewhere, but in order to make this as easy as possible for you guys, I am going to be using dark chocolate syrup. Now, mocha, as we know, is the combination of coffee and chocolate. That's what mocha is. It has that really rich, deep flavor that kind of almost mimics that coffee-like flavor. So someone actually told me that you can actually buy the actual, Starbucks mocha sauce online. Apparently someone is like selling it on the black market for like $50. I don't have time for that. I don't want to be arrested, so this is what I'm going with. So I'm gonna pour like 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can measure it out, but I'm kind of like an expert at this point. Get on my level. So I'm just going to like kind of eyeball it, but you can really add as much or as little as you want. Because who's the boss? You. Okay, so like 2 to 3 tablespoons per, let me add more. So like all macchiatos, I am going to be adding some milk. You can use skim milk, almond milk, soy milk, coconut milk, oat milk, rice milk, what other milk? Literally any milk you want, use it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is pour like 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk in here at first, and then I'm gonna mix it together. And what that is going to do is make mixing in this chocolate sauce so much easier if it's like almost thinned out with a little bit of milk first. Okay, so just pour in a little bit. Oh, I spilled. Oh no. And then mix this together. So I'm gonna be using like 1.25 cups of milk in this recipe, so I'm gonna pour the rest of the milk in. Okay, so now I can just stir this together. The mocha of it all. Okay, so the mocha portion of this drink is done. Now we can get going on making our espresso. Let's do it. Okay, and like I said earlier, I'm making like a venti or a large, so I'm gonna be using 3 shots of espresso. I need it. But if you want more or less espresso, you can totally adjust this recipe. So I'm gonna pour in 4.5 ounces ounces of water into my 1 cup measuring cup, and I'm going to stick this in the microwave until it is boiling. And one comment I keep on seeing on my videos is people wonder why I'm not putting this in a kettle. What? I didn't know like microwaving water for coffee or tea was so controversial. Like, to me, this is so much easier, so much quicker, so much just simpler. Like, I don't know why I would like pull out the kettle, fill it with water, put it on the stove, wait for it to boil, when this is done in like under a minute. Can someone explain to me why this is such an issue? I don't get it. I am done with the attacks. Like, does the water taste different, or just get over it? Okay, so just like that, our water is boiled. You guys, this is so easy. It takes no time at all. And the cleanup, why the hell would I use a kettle? What? Okay, so now I'm gonna add in 1.5 teaspoons of instant espresso powder. Oh, I didn't even explain this. Oh, I'm kind of just treating you guys like your regulars, but this is how I make my espresso. I use instant espresso powder. It is so easy, so cheap, so just, it's the best. You don't need an espresso maker, so you don't need to be like this expert coffee maker of the world. You need to be a regular girl with a desire for coffee. So, I love it. But if you don't have this and you have an espresso maker, obviously just do that. And you can also substitute this with really strong coffee, and that could also work. So I'm gonna add in 1.5 teaspoons of this in. It's gonna smell so good. I love the smell of espresso so much. Apparently Bath & Body Works just released an espresso candle. I'm gonna have to get it. So now I'm just going to stir the powder into the really hot water until it is all dissolved, and we have our espresso. So one little hack that I've been doing recently, I just found this out, is putting 1 ice cube into the really hot espresso mixture. Since we're making this an iced drink, I want this to be as cold as possible, and this really helps chill this really hot mixture down. That's what we want. So I'm gonna put 1 ice cube in there and we're good to go. Okay, so even though this is a Dunkin copycat recipe, I am going to be using my Starbucks tumbler here. I know it's like a contradiction, but this is my go-to cup, so this is what I'm gonna be using today. Okay, so I filled my cup up with ice. Normally, I don't like too much ice in my iced drink. Wait, what? Normally, I don't like too much ice in my iced drinks, but for macchiatos, to get that separation between the milk and the espresso, it really helps if you have a lot of ice in here. So this is the exception to my rule. Okay, so I'm just going to pour in my mocha milk. Ooh, I love the way that sounds. My mocha milk into my cup. Purr. And then we are ready to add in our freshly made espresso. I love this so much. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it in very gently. Oh my gosh, that looks so beautiful. This looks so good, like the dark mocha milk and the even darker espresso. Like, this is a look. This is, okay, let's try it. Oh. Okay, if you are a like chocolate lover, you love chocolate and you love your espresso and you want to combine the two worlds, this is the girl for you. You need to try this recipe. Oh my gosh, it's so simple. You guys literally saw 3 ingredients, but this is a genius idea. Dunkin, I'm giving you credit. This is such a creative, innovative, brilliant idea. I could never come up with it, but I'm glad you did. You guys can totally replicate this recipe at home. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you loved it, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Oh my gosh, share my channel with your best friend. If you know you have a friend that loves coffee, that watches YouTube, that needs just that new personality in their lives, share me with them. I need to branch out, I need to grow. We are expanding here. We are so close to 5,000 subscribers. What? 5,000 people clicked that subscribe button. That is insane to me. We are so close. I'm gonna have to like do something in celebration of that, because that is a milestone I never thought I would get to, but I am just really excited with the direction that this channel is going in. I love making videos for you guys. This is really my creative outlet. So thank you for supporting me. None of this would be possible without you guys. I feel like I'm giving like an awards speech. I'm at the Oscars. Whether you have been watching me for years or you just joined the family, I am so happy to have you here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.